Friday evening, the 20th, about 10:20 p.m. Just got back from the Home Depot. It's a couple of minutes away from me. Made it by 10 o'clock. This washing machine supply, hot and cold water, piece of shit, builder special. The valve broke off right there in my wife's hand. Water flooding the place. Had to go outside and shut the water main. No water in the house right now. We're going to attempt to replace this supply line right now. Got over to Home Depot quickly and bought this little one from Oatly. They're a brand name. A new box. The valves go in. We got a couple of those shark bites. I'm not sure what size the PVC pipe is, so we bought 1/2 inch as well as 3/8 to see which works for us. Alright, let's see where we proceed from here. We're going to cut this bitch out with some tin snips. Try. Really don't know what the F we're doing, but whatever. This is the drain that goes down for the tube for the discharge of the washing machine. We got a beam on the right hand side over there, which is good. Aluminum stud going down. So whatever we're mounting to, we can mount to there. But we got to get this.
That pipe is glued to
Yeah,
this
the
shit.
pipe might be glued to that plastic, but whatever. We'll see. We're going to rip this bitch out, and we'll see. There may be something good back there.
We're licensed plumbers.
Licensed plumbers right here.
I just started
Here's the scoop we're finding out. This whole box device with this little piece of white pipe underneath goes down and then is glued on to a piece of 3/8 inside of here. I don't have a flashlight I'd show you, but we'll get a flashlight as well from inside in the kitchen. Alright, here we go. We took some of that sheetrock away, and you can see the little 3/8 feeds on each side. We have no water in the house now. We're going to cut those and pull this whole piece of shit out of here. Alright, so what we're finding out, this thing was connected with little compression fittings. Little plastic compression fittings. The 3/8 going into that main valve. But the little nuts we're trying to take off now, but they're falling down behind the wall.
I got it off and I got a plumber's crack.
We got shark bites, so we're going to see if that works.
Yeah, plenty of it. That goes down about an inch. Where look at that, right where that line is on that sheetrock is like with that new pieces. So that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, so cut all that shitty glue off.
There's a tight situation there. There seems to be some kind of coupling going over the drain pipe here. So we're trying to cut that away with a small hacksaw. Okay, the old thing was pulled apart. We're going to see if the new one fits in there. Still at it, 10:45. Got to cut these supply lines back. We've got the new valves here and some shark bites we're using on the bottom.
That's all they had.
And some tools we got from QVC. Oh man, owning a home, so much. We cut out the bottom piece of the sheetrock here. We installed these shark bites onto the male ends of these valves. We snapped them back in place, put a couple of these little retainer brackets in. It's kind of a half ghetto job. We have a little piece of trim ring we'll put around it. We'll patch up the sheetrock at a later date. I'm going to go test the water now. Okay, it's late at night. Been on this for close to an hour and a half. Doesn't seem to be any leaks. I'm leaving it as is and play with it in the morning. We got a mess here of tools. We'll just leave it all here and deal with it in the morning. I want to go to bed.